Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to add a prefix and suffix to every list of elements in Python. So let's start the tutorial. The command is py pre-suffix list.py, my file name.py, enter. And notice here we got the output. This is the original list and I have added Dr. Jack MBBS, Dr. Vijay MBBS, Dr. Ben MBBS. See, for every list of item I have added a prefix with doctor and suffix with MBBS.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now, inside this folder, I will create one new Python file called Prefix and Suffix list.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now, my aim is how to add a prefix and suffix to a list of elements in Python. So first we require one list elements. So here I am adding some doctor list here. One doctor list I am adding for this example. The doctor names are Jack, Vijay, Ben, Rakesh and Rani. And now after that, let's print the list of elements first. Print the original list is doc_list. Now my aim is I want to prefix with doctor. Here the example I want to look. Example doctor some Jack MBBS. I want to print like this to every list of elements. So the code is first declare one variable result which will give the output. Between square brackets, I am implementing the compressions functionality. The prefix I want to add doctor, then I am concatenating with some variable, then suffix I need MBBS, then for X in doc_list. That's it. Let's print F. Here I am adding result. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's check the final output of our application. Go to file, click save all. Then go to view, click terminal. Here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. The command is py pre-suffix list.py, my file name.py, enter. And notice here we got the output. This is the original list and I have added Dr. Jack MBBS, Dr. Vijay MBBS, Dr. Ben MBBS. See, for every list of item I have added a prefix with doctor and suffix with MBBS. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to add the prefix and suffix to a list of elements in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.